Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must know the current device passcode before changing Face ID or Touch ID settings. Open Settings and scroll to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Tap the menu and enter your passcode when prompted by the device. After authentication, toggle off Face ID or toggle off the fingerprint entries for Touch ID. The system may request your Apple ID password to confirm the change. Wait for the confirmation message, and then close Settings to complete the change. Open Settings, then choose Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode to proceed. Scroll and tap Turn Passcode off to begin the removal process on your device. The iPhone will prompt you to enter the current passcode for authentication. Enter the passcode and follow on-screen instructions to confirm disabling the passcode. In some cases, the device will request your Apple ID password as an additional confirmation step. Remember, disabling the passcode removes on-device encryption and increases the security risk. If you cannot remove the lock normally, erasing the iPhone removes the passcode but deletes data. Open Settings and go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone to find Erase All Content and Settings. Tap Erase All Content and Settings and follow prompts, entering the device passcode when requested by the system. You must also sign in with the Apple ID to disable activation lock after the erase completes. Back up to iCloud or a computer before erasing to preserve important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.